Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Pheochromocytoma, and we are looking at the rule of tenths. So pheochromocytoma, 10% of it is going to be bilateral. Next, 10% will be extraadrenal, and 10% will be malignant, and 25 to 33%, this is going to be inherited. So in terms of the symptomatic patients, they do not follow the rules of 10. This is an exception. That is, in terms of symptomatic patients, they do not follow the rule of 10. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.